the W04CG from Huepar. We have it on our website lasertools.co.nz, and it is one of the best sellers. I'll show you today what's in the box and how to set it up. This is the box that comes in, and as you can see, it comes of course in a hard case, and here it is. You'll find a safety clip. This is to attach it to the laser so it doesn't fall if you have it at heights. User manual comes with an elevator for those floor jobs, a laser target, a metal bracket so you can attach it to any surfaces that are not metal. You just screw that on, and then the adjustable base with the magnet just clips on here. This is the actual laser and the battery that comes with it. The remote control is in here too, and a New Zealand plug with a USB-C cable. Mind you, anything with a USB-C can charge this from the USB port here, and also the USB port on the battery. Now, we're going to have a look at the tripod. What I always say is when you're using the tripod, it's better not to use the base. The less things that move, the better. So we'll put this in for now. First thing you need to do, take the base plate off the tripod head, and there's a little screw in here. Make sure you line up the little pin with the bigger hole here and tighten it up nicely and straight. Now the laser is ready to go on the tripod. Chuck it on the tripod like that, and when you put the laser on, then you can put it on the tripod like so, and you use this to rotate that one axis, and then you can just tighten it. Now there is one more adjustment. You can also do this. I would not suggest this if you wanted to just straighten it, because this here is not very accurate. So I would suggest to just lock this off and just adjust this axis with the legs. It is easier and it is far more effective, while you're also looking at the bubble on this side here. Fire it up, and when this turns on, all four lasers turn on all sides. First thing we have to do is turn off all the lasers that we don't need, so it doesn't consume battery, and also it does not confuse us with different lasers that are on. From here, we'll turn off the horizontal, the bottom laser, and just leave the top one on. That is off, top one is on, and now from here we'll turn on the vertical ones off and off. So currently we only have one laser firing. Just checking all around. This one laser, so we will now engage the pulse mode for the receiver, and we're ready to go. Ready to go and level some concrete, do some landscaping, you name it. W04CG from Huepar.